They stand inside me.
What's inside?
The moments until
It's Crimson Music.
when I leave.
Z-I-K. He's doing some reflecting, his people looking at him. They know that something's wrong, but he say he just messing. As the leader of their crew, he prays to God for their blessing, praying every day that they will have the strength to press in. Life is depressing, everything is stressing him out. He need insurance, he ain't shopping with Progressive. Yes, it's the flow that keep him going, no resting. Probably cause it's glowing like a light fluorescent. Chasing dreams of a rap profession, putting that hope in every breath in. He ain't making music, he's recording his confessions. Never for the salad, Hidden Valley ran stressing. Was never the reason he was devoted, so invested. Does it for the people sitting in during sessions. Success in one step, the freedom's his obsession. What more can he do to make a lasting impression? What's inside of me? What's left within? Where do I look to begin? Is this all that I will ever be? How are these people gon' remember me? I'm getting caught up in the riptide. What am I made of on the inside? Is that all that I'ma ever be? How are these people gon' remember me? What's going on around us? People with no integrity get power, then surround us. Towel cover our face, pour water and dry drown us. Claiming we're too stupid to know, they try and clown us. God bless, the poison's so potent. Even the people with integrity lose it to get promotions. The American scheme. Remember me as being a person who made you dream beyond routines. Get with the team, don't play the game, play to win. A winner is exposed in the arena, not developed. Dropping bombs, Hiroshima, not the fella to back down. Look beyond the background. You see my motivation and the reason I ain't phased in any situation, so I'm rocking with the basement. I don't hold hope for a genuine placement among the major labels, spreading major fables, cashing in on the fruits of our youth, robbing the cradle. What's inside? What's left within? Where do I look to begin? Is this all that I will ever be? How are these people gon' remember me? I'm getting caught up in the riptide. What am I made of on the inside? Is that all that I'ma ever be? How are these people gon' remember me? I'm feeling what's inside of me, dealing with what's depriving me. On my bed grills, homie, learning to survive me. Burning and yearning to undo my psychology. Acting only as an animal, call that biology. Identify my weaknesses, tell me what the reason is. Maybe I could grow depending on what the season is. The oxygen I'm breathing in got poisons they secreting in. Product where I live in, my vision have been leaving me. Yeah, and Lord, I know I need development. When I lose hope and trade it for being relevant, traded in edification for self-embellishment. Perfection I've been craving ain't available, but yet I never look to who envelops it. Stop praying for miracles, now I ask for new eyes. Let me see through lies, lead me to where the truth lies. Guess I'm headed back to where it all begins. I found everything I needed when I looked within. What's left within? Where do I look to begin? Is this all that I will ever be? How are these people gon' remember me? I'm getting caught up in the riptide. What am I made of on the inside? Is that all that I'ma ever be? How are these people gon' remember me?